I remember one show which was with autistic children, and they rehearsed with me for almost 9 months to prepare one show for half an hour. But when that show happened, everybody sitting in the auditorium was spellbound, because the way those children danced, the way they performed, it was incredible. And the awareness was that if you can do it, everybody else can do it. If they can do it, everybody else can do it. Because they are as normal as us. We think they are different. But for them, they're all same. For them, we are different. So I think that is what something, the gaps that are created should go away. And that's what Dance for a Cause always does. We like I said, we remove these gaps that we start creating. And this is what is extremely important. Another show I must mention to you, which is very, very beautiful, it was about drug abuse. Today everybody is talking about drugs. And they say Bollywood has got lots of drugs happening. Well, drugs happen everywhere. Drugs happen in schools, drugs happen in colleges, it happens with corporate people, it happens everywhere. What finally is most important is the affection, the love, and the support that the person who is using drugs needs. So if they get the missing love, the missing link in their life, if that's what is given to them, that is when the things will absolutely be fine with them. And that's what Dance for a Cause, which was on drug abuse, did. I still remember when I was performing this in New York at the United Nations office, it was such a pleasurable performance, because for the first time at the UN office, somebody was dancing. And we dancers spoke about drugs, and drugs is big in America, not just in India, it's big everywhere. And people were coming forward and saying, yes, the people who use drugs, their homes and they themselves need only one thing in life, and that is love, support, encouragement, and someone to understand them, someone to understand what's going wrong with them, or what's disturbing them, what's upsetting them. And a family must come together, must spend time together. If you do that, nobody from your family will go into these so-called wrong habits of drugs. So I think every message that goes out of Dance for a Cause has a new link to it, a new life to it. And we all need to understand that. It's when we prepare for it, it takes a couple of months for me to prepare for it. Scripting for it, music for it, recording it, dubbing it, and then of course doing rehearsals for it, putting it all together, and then going out, booking auditoriums to perform, calling people to come and watch. And let me be very honest with you, people don't want to come and see causes. People only want to see entertainment. When you say there's a message, people shy out from going. So I request all of you that whenever you think and whenever you hear there's something that's coming up in front of you which has a message, please go and watch it, because you never know what message it gives you. It might be happening in your own house, but you don't realize it. It might be happening in your own circle of friends, you don't know about it. So it's very important that if we hear something about any kind of cause, I know there are thousands of causes in the world, and probably we are so bombarded with so many causes that we feel, oh my God, this is yet another one. But you never know who is affected by it and how it can help people. So once again, I want to say thank you so much for supporting Dance for a Cause, and just, it feels great to receive the Tagore Prize. And please keep blessing, and please keep always showering your love, because according to me, it's love and blessings that they say the heart of the people on your head that's what takes you ahead in life. I think that's what has brought Dance for a Cause ahead, because it's received tremendous love from a lot of people. Thank you so much. It's great.